Let me guess, you've watched at least one 5 a.m. morning routine video. Maybe then you felt inspired for like 12 minutes. Then your alarm rang at 5 a.m. and you hit snooze. And now you feel behind in life again. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your life is not broken because you don't wake up at 5 a.m. It's broken because your days don't have structure. And structure has nothing to do with the time on the clock. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your life in 30 days. No extreme routines, no cold showers at sunrise, no pretending you're a Navy SEAL, just realistic changes that actually stick. And if you follow this properly, you will not recognize yourself in a month. Every time we say, I'm changing my life, we try to change sleep schedule, workout routine, diet, study system, screen time, journaling, reading, meditation, all at once. And then by day 4, we collapse. Why? Because your brain hates chaos. So week 1 is not about building, it's about deleting. That's it. For 7 days, your only goal is to remove the biggest thing ruining your focus. For most students, it's your phone. Be honest. You open Instagram or YouTube for 5 minutes. Suddenly, it's 47 minutes. Now you don't feel like studying. Now you feel guilty. Now you scroll more. So here's the week 1 rule. No phone in the first hour after you wake up. Doesn't matter if you wake up at 6 or 8 or 10, just no phone. That first hour decides your entire day. Instead, wash your face, drink water, make your bed, sit quietly, or start studying lightly. It will feel boring. Good. Your brain needs to remember what boredom feels like because boredom is where focus grows. And if you can win the first hour, you've already shifted your identity. Pause for a second. Imagine 7 days of winning your mornings. Feels different, right? We're just getting started. Here's the biggest mistake students make. They design perfect days. 8 hours of deep work, workout, reading, skill building, side hustle, perfect meals. That's fantasy. Instead, we build a minimum viable day. This is the smallest version of a productive day that still makes you proud. For example, 2 focused study blocks, 45 minutes each, 20 minutes of movement, 10 minutes planning tomorrow. That's it. Not 12 hours, not superhuman, just non-negotiable basics. Because when life gets messy, exams, family stuff, low motivation, you can still hit minimum. And consistency beats intensity. Let me ask you something. Would you rather go extreme for 5 days or improve slightly for 30? Exactly. During week 2, you don't increase difficulty, you increase consistency. You track it. Get a simple calendar. Every day you complete your minimum day, put an X. Your only goal, don't break the chain. Once you see 6 to 7 X's in a row, something shifts inside you. You stop feeling behind. You start feeling in control. Nobody talks about this. Your life is not ruined by bad mornings. It's ruined by chaotic nights. Scrolling at 1:30 a.m., telling yourself just one more video, sleeping with anxiety about tomorrow, then waking up tired, then blaming yourself. So week 3 is about protecting your future self. Here's the rule. Choose a shutdown time, not sleep time, shutdown time. Example, if you sleep at 12, shut down at 11:15. At shutdown, write tomorrow's top 3 tasks, clean your desk, put your phone on charge away from your bed, dim the lights. That's it. No dramatic night routine, just closing the day properly. When you wake up and already know what to do, you eliminate decision fatigue, and clarity kills procrastination. You don't need 5 a.m. You need intentional nights. That's the cheat code. By now, you've controlled your mornings, built minimum days, fixed your evenings. Week 4 is where it gets powerful. Now we upgrade identity because long-term change isn't about habits, it's about who you believe you are. Look around your room right now. Does it look like someone serious about their goals lives there? Or does it look like a procrastination headquarters? Messy desk, bed always unmade, snacks everywhere, phone within arm's reach? Your environment is shaping your future silently. So here's the 30-day final challenge. Turn your room into a focus zone. Clear your desk completely. Keep only study essentials. Remove distractions from arm's reach. Add one visual reminder of your goal. A quote, exam date, dream college. This sounds small. It's not. When your space changes, your behavior follows. You sit down and your brain thinks, oh, We're serious now, and that changes everything. Will your life magically transform in 30 days? No, but your trajectory will, and trajectory is everything. If you win your first hour, complete your minimum day, protect your evenings, design your environment, you won't just feel productive, you'll feel stable. And stability is underrated because once you stop feeling chaotic, you can actually build. Most students aren't lazy, they're overwhelmed. There's a difference. You don't need a 5 a.m. alarm. You need fewer promises to yourself and more kept agreements, even small ones, especially small ones. If you want to fix your life in 30 days, week 1, no phone first hour. Week 2, minimum viable day. Week 3, shutdown routine at night. Week 4, environment upgrade. Simple, not easy, but simple. And simple scales. Here's what I want you to do. Not tomorrow, not next Monday, tonight. Before you sleep, write down your minimum viable day. Just 3 or 4 non-negotiables. That's it. Then start tomorrow. No dramatic announcement, no posting about it, no waiting for motivation, just action. In 30 days, come back to this video and tell me what changed. Let's level up without pretending we wake up at 5 a.m. We're building real discipline here, and we're doing it together.